Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our Breakaway C box breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Rookie Anthology box break number 2. Here's the last team up for auction. Here's Edmonton. And just got a short announcement to make on our website, breakawayc.com. We got 6 full case breaks of Rookie Anthology going tonight, live on our Breakers.tv channel. So you just click on the Group Breaks tab, and there's a button, Rookie Anthology Team Select Break. Just click on it. It'll take you right to the page. It shows the 6 cases listed. So how it works is a team select, there's predetermined prices per team. So it just shows you how to get to our channel, where to make payment, and then all the case breaks listed. So there's still some teams available in most of the breaks. So if you're interested, like I said, there's predetermined prices. So Buffalo case break number 1 is worth $40. And that's the full case, 12 boxes per case. And we're doing 6 of those case breaks tonight. So let's get on with the break. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. A Prism Rookie of Luke Glendening for the Red Wings. We have a select base of Danny Alfredson for the Red Wings. Score base of Jerome McGinley for the Bruins. And we have a Dominion hit, patch auto rookie of Max Reinhardt for the Flames, 76 out of 299. Hot rookies, Johan Larsson for the Sabres. And we have a Prism rookie for the Sharks of Matt Nito. Hot rookies of Racco Gudas for the Lightning. We have a short print base, 47 on 100, Jamie Benn for the Stars. Hot rookies, Nick Bugstad for the Panthers. We have a select rookie of Brian Dumoulin for the Penguins. Hot rookies, Frederick Anderson for the Ducks. We have a Prism rookie of Josh Levo for the Leafs. Hot rookies of Jonathan Marchessault. That card goes to the Lightning. Lightning's on the card. We have a score signature for the Flyers of Sean Couturier. Hot rookies, Jared Stahl for the Hurricanes. And we got a select jersey auto of Xavier Ouellet. That is number 46 of 199 for the Red Wings. You got a luxury suite jersey and stick, 51 out of 99 of David Dubnyk. Card goes to Montreal. Montreal's on the card. Oh, sorry, I have hot rookies of Antti Ranta for the Blackhawks. And you got base card Prism for the Wild of Matt Molson. Minnesota's on the card. And the last pack. The score base, Daniel Briere for the Canadiens. And we got our rookie selection, jersey autograph from Emerson Edom for the Ducks, 95 out of 249. And then base to finish off the break. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Hope to see you next time.